Are you aware that your accounting systems could secretly be costing you money and causing you extra stress? Well, if you're using either spreadsheets or desktop accounting software, such as Sage, then that might very well be the case. Whilst that's not good, I've got some great news for you. Doesn't have to be this way. I'm Kim Marler from KMA Accountancy, and author of the book What's Stopping You Making Your First £1 Million Profit. And I've spent the whole of my professional life helping family-run businesses increase their profits and achieve success. Over the years, I've seen countless examples of where accounting systems have been secretly costing a business money. The question is, could any of these top 3 secrets be costing you? Too many hours spent bookkeeping. If most transactions have to be bashed in manually, then that's massively time consuming and very costly. Customers taking too long to pay, meaning the bank balance is worse than it should be. And the business isn't making the profit that it wants because the business owner doesn't have reliable and up-to-date information, meaning that they can't see the problems that they need to fix. And the net result for many business owners is, unfortunately, stress and worry. They're stressed about not making enough money. They're knackered by endless hours on their books, by working long into the night or at weekends. And they're worried about the bank balance and paying the bills. That's quite an impact, and it's just because of what they don't know. They don't know that their accounting system isn't right for their business, and they don't know what the latest technology is and which one's best for their business. The situation isn't helped if their trusted advisor, their accountant, isn't an expert in accounting systems and doesn't know about all the latest technology. The great news, though, is it doesn't actually have to be this way. It's quite simple to move. In part, this is due to the likes of Xero, QuickBooks Online, and other cloud software who are revolutionising the world of accounting and business. You see, their software uses all the latest technology and means that everything is super efficient and delivering great results. For a second, can you imagine how your business and your life would be changed if you had an accounting system which does a lot of the bookkeeping itself, chases customers to pay your unpaid sales invoices automatically, gives you up-to-date reports which tell you how your business is performing and is always backed up, and you're always on the latest version of the software? Oh, but incidentally, you don't get charged for that. This isn't a dream. It really can be a life-changing reality. Xero has certainly changed the life of one of our clients, John from Global River. You see, John has a rapidly growing business. In the early days, his accounting systems were a couple of spreadsheets. And that was fine when he got going, but as the company grew, these essentially manual systems became more and more time-consuming. Time that John knew could be better spent helping and advising clients and winning new ones and growing his business. The reality was that these manual systems and Excel spreadsheets were now holding the business back, and he needed to change. So, what we helped him to do was to move off those spreadsheets and on to Xero accounting. And the impact was almost immediate for him. The previous time-consuming process of raising sales invoices and statements has gone, and it's now largely automated. This was a huge time saver. Cash flows improved. Result! The system's been set up so that a lot of the bank transactions are processed automatically. Again, more time saved. And John's not the only one who's had these life-changing results that's given him back time, but more importantly, you could have them too. It's really very easy to do, and here's how it works. Step 1. You leave your name and the best number to contact you on in the box below. Step 2. I'll arrange for one of my team to give you a call to cover off 2 things. Firstly, to arrange the meeting, or call if you'd prefer, at a time that's convenient for you with one of our Xero experts. Secondly, to help us prepare properly for the meeting so that you get the most value out of it. And so we know a little bit more about your current accounting systems and setup and your business. You can give me as little or as much as you feel comfortable sharing. It's totally up to you. Of course, all I'd say is the more you share, the more help and value I can give you back in return on the call or the meeting. And then finally, step 3, we'll sit down with you for an hour or so over a cup of coffee and we'll explore your options. We'll let you know the pros and the cons of each of the options and what's involved. By the end of the meeting, you'll have the information that you need to decide on what the best solution is for you and your business going forward. So let's just recap. If you're open to the idea of transforming your business, saving time, making more profit, and of course, more importantly, improving your cash flow by just changing your accounting system, then all you need to do is take the first step and leave your contact details. Within 24 hours, I'll have someone in my team to give you a call, to book the meeting and to get the ball rolling. That's how simple it is. Can't wait to speak to you soon.